There was a day we went to the railway yard in Yaba, you know, and I wanted to be one of those, I wanted to get an exclusive. Do you understand? It was a large workshop, very huge, and they were coming, and I wanted to get a shot of them walking, but from a high angle. In the process of trying to step on a higher table, I tripped and I fell. But you know, falling, you have to struggle to save the camera and all that, save your equipment and all that. Yeah, no, I didn't break anything or whatever. But by the time they were passing by me, he deviated and came and said, "Wole, are you all right? Make sure you check that leg." Right? That, to me, it was one of the best and kindest moments of my career.